will continue with angle between curves. Angle between two curves. So if theta is the angle between two curves, we have seen the formula already. So what is tan theta then? Tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. Okay, what is m1 and m2? So what is angle between two curves actually? Can you remember? Angle between two curves is the angle between the tangents at the point of intersection. So what is m1 and m2? m1 and m2 are the slopes of the tangents at the point of intersection. Okay, so m1 is nothing but dy by dx at x1 comma y1. Okay, at the point, if x1 comma y1 is the point of intersection, then at x1 comma y1 gives you m1. Similarly, so what will be m2? dy by dx at x1 comma y1. Okay, m1 and m2 are the slopes at the point of intersection. Okay, so now we will do the exercise problems. Exercise 7.2, ninth question. Question number 9. Ninth question, find the angle between the curves xy is equal to 2 and x square plus 4y is equal to 0. Okay, find the angle between the curves. So first we have to find the point of intersection. Okay, so from this we can write x is equal to 2 by y. So now this you substitute here. So what you get? 2 by y the whole square plus 4y is equal to 0. So we get 4 by y square plus 4y is equal to 0. So taking LCM, 4 plus 4y cube by y square is equal to 0. So we get 4, take it out common, 1 plus y cube is equal to 0 because this goes off. So 4 is not equal to 0, so we leave 4. So 1 plus y cube is equal to 0. That gives you y cube is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 the whole cube, yes. So what is y? Y is equal to minus 1. Now we have to substitute this, take this as 1. So y equal to minus 1, substitute here. So x is equal to 2 by minus 1. Therefore, it is equal to minus 2. Okay, x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, the point of intersection is minus 2 comma minus 1. Minus 2 comma minus 1. Okay, is it clear? So now let theta be the angle between the curves. Angle between the curves. So what is the formula? Tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So, இப்போ நம்ம m1 and m2 கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So, we will differentiate the curves. So, first consider xy. Okay. So, xy is equal to 2. differentiate this. Differentiating. என்ன ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்குது? uv the whole dash formula இருக்குதா? So what's the formula? uv dash plus u dash v. Okay? So what is u? u is equal to x ன்னு எடுத்துக்காங்க. v is equal to y. அப்போ u dash is equal to 1 and v dash is equal to y dash எழுதலாமா? y dash எழுதலாம் அல்லது dy by dx. Okay, anything can be written. So now what you get here? So differentiate பண்றோம். So u v dash. So u is x. v dash is y dash plus u dash is 1 and v is y equal to 2 is a constant. When you differentiate you get 0. So now we have to find dy by dx, அதாவது y dash. அப்போ xy dash is equal to minus y. 1 into y is y. So minus y. So from this we get y dash is equal to minus y by x. Okay. Now we have to find m1. So what is m1? m1 is, so m1 is equal to y dash at minus 2 comma minus 1. Okay, y dash at minus, அல்லது dy by dx at minus 2 comma minus 1. So substitute பண்றோம். What do you get? Minus of minus 1 by minus 2. So what you get finally? Minus divided by minus is plus. So finally you get minus 1 by 2. So this is m1. Then what about m2? We have to find m2. So to get m2, consider the next curve. So consider, what's the next curve? X square plus 4y is equal to 0. So again you differentiate this. 2x plus 4y dash is equal to 0. So 4y dash is equal to minus 2x. So from this what you get? Y dash is equal to minus 2x by 4, which is equal to minus x by 2. Okay, minus x by 2. Therefore what is m2? m2 is equal to y dash at minus 2 comma minus 1. So it is equal to minus of minus 2 by 2, which is equal to plus 1. So m1 is equal to minus 1 by 2 and m2 is equal to 1. So therefore tan theta is equal to m1 modulus of m1 minus m2. We'll put it in the formula. So what is it? Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 1 plus minus 1 by 2 into minus 1. So it is equal to modulus of minus 3 by 2 divided by what is this? 1 plus 1 by 2. So it is equal to modulus of minus 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. LCM எடுத்தோம்னா, so 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 will give you 2 plus 1. Okay, sorry, this is plus 1. அப்போ இதில் என்ன வந்துரும் நமக்கு? மைனஸ் வரும். Okay, not plus. So this is minus. அதனால 3 by 2 இல்லை, என்ன வருது? 1 by 2 வருது. Okay, அப்போ இந்த 2 மட்டும்தான் கேன்சல் ஆகும். So you get modulus of minus 3 which is equal to 3. Modulus இருக்கிறதுனால minus becomes plus. So therefore tan theta is equal to 3. So theta is equal to tan inverse of 3. Okay, so this is the angle between the two curves. Next question number 10. Show that the two curves x square minus y square is equal to r square and xy is equal to c square, where c and r are constants, cut orthogonally. Okay, cut orthogonally. So cut orthogonally means what? The angle between the two curves is 90 degree we have to prove. Okay. So the angle between the two curves is 90 degree means the two curves are perpendicular to each other. So perpendicular to each other means we have seen a note. What is a note? M1 into M2 is equal to -1. Okay, the two curves are perpendicular to each other means M1 into M2 is equal to -1. So we are going to prove that now. So here we'll take let x1 comma y1 be the point of intersection. X1 comma y1 be the point of intersection. X1 comma y1 be the point of intersection. So consider the first curve. So consider x square minus y square is equal to r square. இதை differentiate பண்றோம். For 2x minus 2y into y dash. Okay, I have told you already. Differentiation of x வந்து with respect to x. அதனால 2x. ஆனால் y we are differentiate with respect to x. அதனால என்ன வருது? 2y into dy by dx. அந்த dy by dx தான் y dash னு எழுதுறோம். And r is a constant. Therefore, differentiation of r square is 0. So now from this what you get? 2y y dash is equal to 2x. அப்போ y dash is equal to 2x by 2y which is equal to x by y. Okay. So what is m1? m1 is equal to y dash at x1 comma y1. Okay. Y dash is m1 is y dash at x1 comma y1. So it is equal to x1 by y1. Then consider the next curve. So consider what is the second curve? xy is equal to c square. So again, like the previous problem, you are going to use u v the whole dash. So this is what? So differentiating, what you get? xy dash plus 1 into y is equal to 0. So from this xy dash is equal to minus y. So we get y dash is equal to minus y by x. So what is m2 now? So m2 is y dash at x1 comma y1. So it is equal to minus y1 by x1. So now as I said, we have to prove that the two curves cut orthogonally. We have to prove that m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So you find m1 into m2. So m1 into m2 is equal to, what is m1? x1 by y1, and m2 is minus y1 by x1 which is equal to minus 1. Okay, because this gets cancelled. இப்போ என்ன வந்திருது? m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1 we have got. Therefore, what we say? The two curves cut orthogonally. The two curves cut orthogonally. Is it clear? Okay. Now we will go to examples. So exercise problems, all the sums are over. We will go to the exercise. Examples. So example 7.16 first. Example 7.16. Find the angle of intersection of the curve y is equal to sin x with the positive x-axis. Okay, with the positive x-axis. So y is equal to sin x. Y equal to sin x. This intersects positive x-axis. Positive x-axis means what do you have? Y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 means sin x is equal to 0. So sin x equal to 0 means x is equal to n pi. For n is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay. So what about y equal to sin x? So what about dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to cos x. Okay. So slope at x is equal to n pi, that is I take m. M is what? Dy by dx at x is equal to n pi is what? Cos n pi. And we know that what is cos n pi? Cos n pi is minus 1 power n. Cos n pi is minus 1 power n and sin n pi is 0. So therefore, the required angle, of intersection. Okay, so where it intersects? With the positive x-axis. Okay, angle of intersection is tan inverse of minus 1 power n. Okay, tan inverse of minus 1 power n. So this gives us pi by 4 when n is even. Why? Tan pi by 4 is 1. n is even. அப்போ power என்னவா இருக்கும்? Even ஆயிரும். Power even ஆயிருந்தா minus 1 will become plus 1. அப்போ tan pi by 4 is plus 1. So tan inverse of pi by 4 will give, tan inverse of 1 will give you pi by 4. Then 3 pi by 4 when n is odd. Okay, so tan 3 pi by 4 is minus 1. Is it clear? 3 into 45 calculate பண்ணி பாரு. So tan 3 pi by 4 is minus 1. அப்போ minus 1 இருக்கிறதுனால what do we get? Angle is 3 pi by 4. Okay, so this is the angle for the curve y is equal to sin x when it crosses the x axis. Okay, so this is the answer. We'll go to the next example. Example 7.17. If the curves a x square plus b y square is equal to 1. So this you take it as equation number 1. And c x square plus dy square is equal to 1. This you take it as 2. Intersect each other orthogonally, then show that. So what to prove? To prove is 1 by a minus 1 by b is equal to 1 by c minus 1 by d. So this we have to prove it. So now let the two curves intersect at x naught comma y naught. X naught comma y naught. So 1 minus 2 we have taken the curves as 1 and 2. So take 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2 means what is it? ரெண்டு curve எழுதுங்கம்மா. ax square, you know how to solve equations இல்லையா? Equal to 1 cx square plus dy square is equal to 1. 1 minus 2. So இது minus, இது minus, இது minus. So what you get? X square into a minus c plus y square into b minus d is equal to 0. So இதை எப்படி எழுதலாம்? X square into a minus c is equal to minus y square into b minus d எழுதலாமா? Now this also we can write it as x square by y square is equal to minus of b minus d by a minus c. Okay, we can write like this. So now at x naught comma y naught, what you will get? X naught square by y naught square is equal to minus of b minus d by a minus c. Okay. Now take the first curve. So consider ax square plus by square is equal to 1. Either differentiate pandrom. What do you get? 2ax plus 2by into y dash is equal to 0. Upon 2by y dash is equal to minus 2ax. So y dash is equal to minus 2ax by 2by. Upon 2 cancel airo, you get minus 2ax, sorry, no 2. So minus ax by by. Okay. So what is m1 then? So m1 is nothing but y dash at x naught comma y naught. அப்போ என்ன வந்துரும்? Minus ax naught by by naught. So then consider the second curve. So consider second curve. So what is the second curve? Cx square plus dy square is equal to 1. So again similarly, okay, similarly doing all those, okay, similarly differentiating and doing all those, what you will get? m2 is equal to y dash at x naught comma y naught, and that will be equal to minus cx naught by dy naught. Okay. Now given the two curves intersect each other orthogonally. Okay. So given the curves intersect orthogonally, therefore what do you have? So this tells us that m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So what is my m1? m1 is minus ax naught by by naught into m2 is minus cx naught by dy naught, and this is equal to minus 1. So now minus into minus will become plus. So you have acx naught square by bdy naught square is equal to minus 1. So this is nothing but ac by bd into x naught by y naught, the whole square is equal to minus 1. Now we have found x naught square by y naught square already. Therefore we can substitute this. Adha inga kondu vandu substitute pannunga. So what you get? AC by BD into minus B minus D by A minus C is equal to minus 1. So now here okay, equal to minus 1 equal to minus 1. Therefore, left hand side we have a minus, right hand side we have a minus, both will get cancel. So we get finally AC by A minus C is equal to BD by B minus D. எழுதலாமா? ரெண்டு பக்கமும் minus cancel ஆகுது. So we get only plus. அதுக்கு பிறகு we are AC எந்த பக்கம் வச்சிக்க, divided by A minus C இந்த பக்கம் வச்சிக்க, BD அடுத்த பக்கம் எடுத்துட்டு போ, அதே மாதிரி B minus D யும் அடுத்த பக்கம் எடுத்துட்டு போறோம். Okay, this is what is needed to solve the bring the answer. அதனால நம்ம இது பண்றோம். Okay, now this can be written as AC by Okay, so it can be written as now. Okay, we can also write this as இதை இப்படி எழுதலாம்ல a minus c by ac is equal to b minus d by bd ன்னு எழுதலாமா reciprocal. Okay, both the sides are cross multiplying இல்ல இது reciprocal தான். Okay, taking reciprocal. அப்போ இதை இப்போ எப்படி எழுதலாம் a by ac minus c by ac is equal to b by bd minus d by bd ன்னு எழுதிடலாமா. Okay, so now what gets cancelled? இங்க a cancel ஆயிரும். So 1 by c minus c cancel ஆயிரும் 1 by a is equal to b gets cancelled 1 by d minus d gets cancelled 1 by b. Okay, so this we can also write it as in the 1 by a minus 1 by a அந்த பக்கம் எடுத்துட்டு போ. So 1 by a minus 1 by b is equal to என்ன பண்ணலாம் 1 by d இந்த பக்கம் எடுத்துட்டு வந்தாச்சுனாக்க 1 by c minus 1 by d. Hence we have proved the result. Okay, so this is an important 5 mark question. Okay, now we'll see the last example. Example 7.18. Example 7.18. Prove that the ellipse 4x square plus 4y square is equal to 8 and the hyperbola x square minus 2y square is equal to 4 intersect orthogonally. Okay, so here also we have to prove that m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So here also we can take x0 y0 as a point of intersection, or we can take anything else. So here it is taken, let a comma b be the point of intersection. Point of intersection. A comma b be the point of intersection. Okay. So now consider the first. So we'll find. Okay, we'll differentiate and find m1 and m2 first. So consider the first curve x square plus 4y square, the ellipse. Okay, differentiating, what do you get? 2x plus 4 into 2y into y dash is equal to 0. So 8y y dash is equal to minus 2x. So y dash is equal to minus 2x by 8y, which gives us minus x by 4y. Okay, அப்போ m1 வந்து என்னது y dash at a comma b, so it is equal to minus a by 4b. Okay, so this is m1. What about the other curve? So consider the hyperbola. Hyperbola is x square minus 2y square is equal to 4. So இதையும் அதே மாதிரி differentiate பண்ணுங்க. What do you get? 2x minus 4y into y dash is equal to 0. அப்போ 4y y dash is equal to 2x. அப்போ y dash is equal to 2x by 4y, which is equal to x by 2y. So what is m2? m2 is equal to y dash at a comma b. So it is equal to a by 2b. So now it is asked to prove that they intersect orthogonally. Appo m1 into m2 we have to find out. So find m1 into m2. So what is m1 into m2? So m1 into m2 is equal to minus a by 4b into a by 2b. So what you get? Minus a square by 8b square. Okay, so now we have to find the value for a square by b square. இப்போ நீங்கள் cross multiplication படிச்சிருக்கீங்க இல்லையாம்மா? So take the two equations. So என்ன எடுக்கலாம்? a square plus 4b square is equal to 8. A square minus 2y square is equal to 4. Okay, இந்த ரெண்டு ஈக்குவேஷனும் எடுத்துக்காங்க. கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனில் எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணலான்னு பார்த்துருக்கீங்க. So here, so we'll do it, find a square by b square by cross multiplication method. அப்போ இதில் எப்படி எழுதுவீங்க? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் a ஸ்கொயர் போடுவோமா, அடுத்தது b ஸ்கொயர், தென் 1. அப்போ a ஸ்கொயரில் எழுதும்போது என்ன எழுதுவோம்? கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் ஆஃப் a ஸ்கொயர் எழுத மாட்டோம், அடுத்ததுக்கு போவோம் இல்லையா? அப்போ 4 minus 2. தென் இதை எப்படி எழுதிக்கலாம்? +8 நம்ம லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைட் கொண்டு வரணும், அதனால் அது என்னது? -8. அதே மாதிரி +4 இந்த பக்கம் எடுத்துகிட்டு வந்தால் என்னது? -4 எடுத்து வந்து தான் போடணும். ஓகே, அந்த பக்கம் வச்சு போடக்கூடாது. அப்போ வாட் அபவுட் b ஸ்கொயர்? b ஸ்கொயர் கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் ஆஃப் b ஸ்கொயர் எழுத மாட்டோம், அப்படிதானே? அடுத்ததுக்கு போங்க. அப்போ -8 -4 அப்படியே சைக்ளிக் ரொட்டேஷன். a ஸ்கொயரோடைய கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் 1 1. அப்போ 1 அதாவது கான்ஸ்டன்ட்ஸ், 1 வந்து கான்ஸ்டன்ட்ஸ். அப்போ அதை விட்டுருவோம், கான்ஸ்டன்ட் டேர்மை விட்டுட்டு அடுத்ததுக்கு போவோம் இல்லையா? அப்போ 1 1 and coefficient of b square 4 minus 2. Okay, this is how we write. So consider the first two now. What is this? A square by idanadu -16 -16 equal to b square by -8 plus 4 equal to 1 by -2 minus 4. நமக்கு என்ன வேணும்னா a square by b square வேணும். So you take only this both. இதை ரெண்டு மட்டும் எடுக்கிறோம். Okay, we are taking only this both we are going to take. So what we get? A square by b square cross multiplying equal to -32 by -4. So what is it? Minus divided by minus is plus. So what you get? It is 8. So 8 square, a square by b square is equal to 8. And what is m1 into m2? m1 into m2 is equal to minus a square by 8b square. So in the a square by b square ku நம்ம இதை apply பண்றோம். So what is it actually? 1 by 8 into a square by b square. So it is equal to -8 by 8, which is equal to -1. So m1 into m2 is equal to -1 we have got. m1 into m2 is equal to -1. Therefore, the curves, that is the ellipse and the hyperbola, curves cut orthogonally. So is it clear, all of you? So students, the exercise is over. So learn thoroughly, learn the formulas. So classwork always write with blue pen and homework with black pen. Write in your notebook. Okay, every day you write down in your notebook so that it will be easy for you to sit and